Hello, this is a quick video to show how to change focal length in Blender. This is the first scene in Blender. Firstly, we can press shortcut N to show the side panel or hidden the side panel. Or we can use the arrow to show the side panel. And then we can go to the View tab and we can find the focal length here. We can click and drag to adjust the focal length. We can decrease it and we can increase it. Or we can type the value. I type 25 millimeters. We can roll the mouse middle button to zoom in and zoom out. If we want to change focal length for the camera view, we can select the camera first and then go to View and Cameras to set the camera view by using Set Active Objects as Camera. So we got the camera view as a render view, and then we can go to Object Data Properties, and we have the focal length here. We can decrease it and increase it. I suggest to use the lock camera to adjust the camera view. This is how we can change focal length for the viewport and camera view. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Artist V. See you in the next video. Bye bye.